Welcome to the Module 4 Capstone of our data science course. In this episode, we tackle the full data wrangling process, taking 3 messy, hostile files and refining them into a single, professional, and repeatable pipeline. This episode focuses on 3 core objectives: executing a complete professional wrangle, rebuilding the quarterly review using Pandas, and delivering a tidy output for both machine models and human executives. We have a structured approach for this video. We start by analyzing our files, move through the intake, audit, and cleaning stages, build our analysis, and finally deliver our outputs and bridge to the next module. The assignment begins with the arrival of 3 files. Each presents its own unique challenges, and the core task is to combine the current quarter's data with historical records, reconcile it against targets, and provide meaningful business insights. Let's meet our 3 files. We have transaction data in a CSV containing sentinel values and duplicates, a customer file with potential merge issues, and a targets file structured as a wide format that requires reshaping. We strictly follow the design rule of drawing our tree before writing any code. This planning phase separates true professionals from mere script followers and ensures we have a clear, tested strategy before starting our work. Why invest time in a design tree? It's about risk management. By mapping out the data shapes and join logic in advance, we identify and prevent critical errors, such as incorrect row counts or incompatible merge keys. We execute our opening ritual with speed and precision. Our audit identifies missing or incorrect values in our orders file, potential duplicate customer keys, and the need to melt our targets file into a long format. After 6 minutes, we have a clear, documented audit memo. This trail is essential for understanding what was wrong and how we fixed it. We also introduce the Drop Duplicates tool, emphasizing the importance of audit trails. Now we enter the cleaning and assembly segment. We follow a deliberate sequence for our pipeline, meticulously appending every step to our documentation while tracking our progress through a visible line counter. Our cleaning pipeline follows 4 steps: replacing sentinel values with NaN, coercing data types to ensure numbers are handled correctly, flagging and filling missing values systematically, and cleaning join keys to avoid silent failures. During assembly, we concatenate our historical and new data, merge customer information after verifying unique keys, and melt the target file. A key takeaway here is that an isUnique check acts as our primary defense against data inflation. The isUnique check is non-negotiable. Without it, a merge on non-unique keys can cause a many-to-many explosion, inflating row counts and corrupting your entire analysis. This single line of code is essential for data integrity. By the end of the pipeline, we have successfully composed 5 major Pandas verbs into one audited flow. True production-grade code isn't just about complexity, it's about ensuring every transition is defended and verified. Finally, we enrich and analyze our data to answer the core business questions. By applying our previous patterns to the fully assembled dataset, we demonstrate how mastery and fluency allow us to achieve results with efficiency and confidence. Let's begin our analysis by looking at typical order behavior. We use the describe method to surface the full distribution, but we report the median first. This is a choice of statistical honesty, ensuring our headline numbers remain resistant to outliers. Next, we address segment performance against targets. We use a 3-step Pandas composition. First, aggregate actuals with a groupby. Second, merge with our targets. And third, use np.where to flag hits and misses. For our growth analysis, we resample daily orders into monthly revenue using the sum method, then calculate growth with PCT_change. This visual rolling chart provides proof that our pipeline produces real, actionable insight, not just clean data. We can even repurpose previous machinery for new tasks. By adapting the versus usual transform and layering on recency, we identify slipping customers. It's a perfect example of how composable, reusable patterns act as a force multiplier. Statistical honesty persists through every tool upgrade. Here, we run a permutation test in Pandas by shuffling segment labels. If fewer than 5% of our shuffles match the observed gap, we know the difference is statistically significant. This video closes with 3 ceremonies. These milestones mark our compounding technique, the delivery of our 2 primary products, and a final accounting of all the tools we have mastered on camera. In our first ceremony, we compare line counts. While our initial project took 45 lines for one table, our current workflow handles triple the complexity in roughly 35 lines. The compounding of your skills is the real story here. The goal was always compounding. Reducing line counts isn't just about efficiency, it's about legibility and debuggability. By simplifying our code, we ensure that every line can be easily read, tested, and trusted in production. Our second ceremony is the to-audience delivery. We produce a tidy analysis dataset for machine consumption and an executive pivot pack for human stakeholders. Both are essential for a complete professional delivery. Treat your tidy dataset as an ML contract, because Module 5 will import this exact file for training. The column names and types you define here are your official interface specification between data engineering and machine learning. In our third ceremony, we map out our toolkit. We have now covered everything from data intake and cleaning to assembly and enrichment. Our toolkit is now half filled, representing a massive leap in your data science capabilities. After 4 modules, you are ready to take hostile files from multiple sources and transform them into boardroom answers and model-ready data. This isn't just a student exercise. You are now performing the actual work of a data scientist. Finally, we look toward Module 5. The tidy dataset you've created today is the bridge to our next phase, where we shift from describing the past to predicting the future using machine learning. In our next module, we will demystify machine learning. We will cover the core concepts behind models, introduce the scikit-learn toolkit, and begin our journey into predictive forecasting. To wrap up, remember that the pipeline is the primary skill. Whether you are performing integrity rituals or composing complex Pandas verbs, the structure remains the same. Keep practicing these core principles as you advance. Let's recap with our 3 key takeaways. First, the pipeline is the fundamental skill that defines every project. Second, integrity rituals like audits and checks are your permanent professional standard. Finally, shorter code means higher legibility and greater trust in your results. Your first hands-on deliverable is a guided walkthrough of the full pipeline. You will map your design tree, run the complete wrangle on our provided dataset, export your tidy output, build an executive pivot pack, and update your project memo. For the independent portion, apply these exact same methods to your own project data. Create your design tree from scratch, perform the full wrangle, and reflect on how your line counts have compounded since Module 1. This dataset is your contract for Module 5. Instructors, please ensure the 3 seeded files are fully validated before production. Maintain the line counter visibility throughout the final segments. Keep the Segment 4 walkthrough efficient, and treat the handover of your tidy dataset as a critical, deliberate production milestone. Module 4 is complete. You can now handle messy, multi-source data, build production-grade pipelines, and deliver professional results for both machines and humans. You have mastered the job. See you in Module 5 for the next phase of your ascent. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI.